If you're looking for a crowd favorite dip to serve at your next party, I think we found a winner. This vegan spinach artichoke dip is one of my favorites because it's so easy to make and everybody loves it. It's one of those dips that just, is gone in minutes because people love it so much. You might want to make a double batch. But I love that it's only made with just a few ingredients and comes together quickly. And it's just got that nice cheesy comfort food vibe that we all love. So I can't wait to share with you how to make it. Let's get started. Let's get to making this recipe. It starts with 1/4 cup of butter that I have melted in the saucepan. And to that, I'm going to add a cup of chopped onions. I'm going to stir to coat those onions. And then we're just going to let that cook until those onions get nice and tender. So this has been simmering for a couple of minutes and now our onions are nice and tender. So it is time to add the flour. I have a 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour here. I'm going to give that a stir. Obviously we're creating a roux here, which is a nice base to create a nice thick sauce. I love to cook the flour for a couple of minutes just to allow the flour flavor to go away. We want to have a roux, we just don't want it to taste like raw flour. While that's cooking, I'm going to go ahead and add, I have a 1/4 cup of Nutritional yeast flakes. That's also going to add nice flavor. And 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Stir that in. I'm looking to see that everything is covered and this looks pretty good. It's all incorporated. So that means it's time for the next crucial step, which is to add vegetable broth. I have 2 cups of vegetable broth here, and we're going to add this in 1 cup at a time and then stir. There's the first cup. Beautiful. Now we're going to add the second cup. And give that a stir. You can tell this is going to be a nice thick sauce and it's going to deliver a delicious creamy dip that everybody's going to love. Okay, now that we've got it nice and stirred, it's time to add the next crucial ingredient, which is I have 2 cups of vegan mozzarella here. This is going to go right in the pan. I'm going to give that a stir, and then we're going to cover that saucepan with a lid just to get the cheese to melt. Okay, I'm going to put a lid on that. That's going to cook for a couple of minutes, and while that's cooking, we're going to work on, obviously, another very crucial ingredient, which is the spinach, because you can't have a spinach artichoke dip without some spinach. And believe it or not, I am using raw spinach, and what we have here is just like this is basically 1 bunch, or you can measure out. It's eyeball it. It's around 2 cups. So I'm going to cut off the ends. Get rid of those. And then we're going to cut this. This has to just be roughly chopped. It doesn't need to be precisely. There we go. This is going to go into the saucepan. Let's take a look and see where we're at, if our cheese has melted yet. It's getting very close. Let me give it a good stir. It looks like we've got melting going on. Yes, woohoo. Okay, perfect. So let's add that spinach. I know this looks like a lot of spinach, but trust me, it cooks down quite nicely. And I'm also going to add artichoke hearts. This is a 7.5 ounce jar that I have drained. So this is going to go right in here. And we're going to give this all a stir. Okay, I'm going to put the lid back on, and that's going to help that spinach start wilting. So while our dip is cooking, doing its finishing touches, I want to talk to you about a couple of serving tips, because you can absolutely serve this cold or hot, believe it or not. So you've got options when it comes to this, which I love because it means you can make this the day before and then set it out on a tray with some chips or crackers or whatever is your favorite dipping instrument, and then you're ready to serve it. Like I say, at that point you can go ahead and heat it up, or you can just leave it cold. It's so good either way. So I'm really excited for you to be making this dip soon. Let's take a look and see how we're doing. As you can see, it takes a couple of minutes for that spinach to actually start wilting. It's getting close. It's starting to do its job, but it needs a few more minutes. So let's just put the lid back on and let it sit for a couple more minutes, and we'll be ready to have this dip soon. Okay, our dip is done. Let's see what it looks like. That looks amazing. I love it. Okay, so I'm going to spoon it out into a dish. This artichoke dip smells so good. I cannot wait to give it a taste test. So let's do that. Mm. Mm. That is so good. I love that cheesy, I don't know, like that spinach, the artichoke, you can get it all in there. It's amazing. And I love, the flavor of the onion comes through. That's just perfect. A little bit of garlic. That's delicious. I cannot wait for you to make this, because I think you're going to love it. If you are going to make this, make sure you leave a comment and let me know, what are you going to serve it with? Is it going to be crackers or tortilla chips, or do you have something else that you want to serve this dip with? I want to hear from you. Leave a comment below. And if you like today's recipe, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more recipes coming your way every week.